Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss different types of printing technology. Number 1. Woodblock printing. Woodblock printing uses carved wooden blocks to create prints, allowing for beautiful and intricate designs. Number 2. Letterpress printing. Letterpress printing involves raised letters and images pressed onto paper, resulting in timeless and elegant prints. Number 3. Screen printing is a technique where ink is forced through a mesh screen onto a substrate to create a printed image. Number 4. Offset printing. Offset printing delivers high-quality prints by using an intermediary rubber blanket for precise ink transfer. Number 5. Flexographic printing. Flexographic printing is ideal for packaging and labels, using flexible plates for versatile printing on different materials. Number 6. Digital printing. Digital printing offers fast and direct reproduction of digital images onto materials without the need for plates. Number 7. Sublimation printing. Sublimation printing uses heat to transfer vibrant and long-lasting prints on fabrics and various materials. Number 8. Solvent printing, flex printing. Solvent printing uses ink containing VOCs to create durable prints for outdoor signage and banners. Number 9. Pad printing. Pad printing enables detailed prints on objects with irregular shapes, using a soft pad for transfer. Number 10. DTF printing. DTF printing directly applies designs onto a special film before transferring them to fabrics using heat and pressure. Printing. 3D printing is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects by building them layer by layer from digital designs.